Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Rest Assured series. Okay, in this video, we are going to see how to do different extraction of response. Okay, so let's see how to do different response extraction in this particular video. Okay, so let me create a new class. Okay, I'll create name it as extract response extract. Okay, let me include the public static void main. Okay, I'll run through Java test. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will add the imports which you are doing in the past. Okay, let me go to the previous code. I'll copy the rest assured static import. I'll copy this one. Okay, make sure it's added for adding all the right method chaining methods. Okay, to import all the six we need this one, right? So I'll go to the response extract. Okay, then what I'll do is I'll paste the import. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll start adding the code here. So now what I'll do is given dot. Okay, uh, and in the given we'll give the base URI. Okay, I'll go and I'll copy the base URI from the previous code. Okay, for example, I'll go to the previous code and I'll copy it. Okay, then I'll add the when method. Okay, so doing only the when here. So let me add the get here get method. Let me add the resource here as we are doing in the past, right? So let me add the resource here. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll right I'll keep it in a reference called as response. Okay, let me give a semicolon. Okay, let me store it in a reference called as response. Okay, so now okay, so it returns response. Okay, let me import the response package. So I'm just extracting uh, through the get method, and I'm storing it in the reference called as response. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract all those response with a method called as extract. Okay, for that what I need to do is right so I need to go. Okay, I need to give response dot I need to get from the JSON. Okay, for that there is a method called as JSON path dot get string. Okay, get string. Okay, what I need I need a title there. Okay, so I'll give title. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to store somewhere, right? So for that I will give okay title equal to, and it returns a string. Okay, string. Okay, so now the response is extracted as from the JSON path, and it gets only a string called as title. Okay, and stores in the reference called as title. Okay, now if I need a status code also, there is a need, I need a status code also. For that, response dot get, okay, status code. Okay, for that there is a method called as get status code. We can get the status code and store it in a right reference called as status code. Status, one minute, sorry. Okay, status code is an integer, right? Let me return it as an int. Okay, so now it retrieves status code and store it in a reference called as status code. Okay, so we can also extract the header also. Okay, for that what I need to do is right response dot dot get header. Okay, now, oh sorry, okay, get header, there is a spelling mistake, right? Get header. So now I'll give, okay, content type, okay, content type. So I need a right header content type. Okay, for that what I'll do is right, I'll store it in a reference called as content type equal to, okay. So what it returns? It returns a string. Okay, string. Okay, so I'm just extracting three things. One is from the JSON path, I'm extracting only one string, that is title, from the response, and I'm extracting the status code from the response, and I'm extracting the right content type, that the content type header name with content type. Okay, so now what I'll do is right, I'll print all these things. Okay, so now we can print all these things. Okay, for that what I'll give is right, this is out, okay, title, okay, colon, okay, I'll give this in brackets, I'll give title. Okay, next I'll copy and I'll paste here. I'll get the status code. Okay, I'll copy the status code. Okay, next I'll also print the content type. So this is how we can extract the response, right, from the rest assured. Okay, so we can use right different ways of extracting content type. Okay, and okay, let me run the code. So it got right. So it got only the title, all the titles, right? It got all the titles and the status code. Only the title it got. Okay, it got as a string. Okay, now right, then it got the content type. So you can extract a particular field from a JSON response. Suppose right, there is right, I want to filter it. Okay, so I can give right, one minute, dot query param, you all know this, right? Okay, ID 27763. I need only this one. Okay, I want to filter it. Right, let me run it. So it got only for that particular ID. Okay, this is how we can filter it also. So it got the right response of the ID and it got only the title of that particular 27763. Okay, so they tried title alone. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Have a nice day. Bye.